Hello beauties, watch me go from that to this in less than 10 minutes with Soku's curly headband wig that's 22 inches long, and I have it in the color number 2. Now this is a synthetic wig and it's deep water wave bohemian hair. With 150% density, this unit is so fluffy and soft. I'm loving the construction of this cap. You get a nice wide comb in the front and you also get one right in the back. The headband is nice and thick and wide, and you also get this nice elastic gripping band at the back. You can find Soku hair on AliExpress, and now they are on Amazon as well, and this unit is only $19.99, so make sure you guys check the description box down below, that way you can get your hands on this hair. I just love headband wigs. They are so quick and convenient. So I'm starting off with my hair freshly co-washed, and I'm going to use some grapeseed oil to moisturize my hair. I'm going to slick my hair into a ponytail, so I'm using some gels to get my hair nice and sleek. But it doesn't have to be perfect because I am struggling to get this hair into a ponytail. The shrinkage is real, honey. I am ready to cut it off. Where are the scissors? Now I'm going to lay my edges and allow that to set about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to place the headband wig on. And that is it. Super quick and easy, and she is a vibe, honey. I am loving the color. Although it's a number 2, it is giving me like an amber brown. It is beautiful. I'm loving the curls and texture on this unit, and it's so soft, guys. Be sure to check out the description box down below for all the products used. Like this video and comment down below and let me know which headband do you like the best with this unit. And hit that subscribe button as well and turn your post notification bell. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace and love.